The Freelancer's Challenge: Getting Paid. Freelancing offers freedom and flexibility. You can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and choose the projects that excite you the most. But it also comes with challenges. From managing your own schedule to handling multiple clients, the life of a freelancer is not always as glamorous as it seems. One of the biggest: getting paid on time or at all. Many freelancers face the frustration of late payments or worse, clients who disappear without paying. Don't worry, this guide is here to help. We'll provide you with practical tips and strategies to ensure you get paid for your hard work. We'll cover everything you need to secure your income. From setting up clear contracts to following up on late payments, we've got you covered. From clear contracts to handling late payments, you'll learn the best practices to protect yourself and your business. You'll learn how to communicate effectively with clients, set expectations, and ensure that your payment terms are respected. Think of it as your freelance payment toolkit. With the right tools and knowledge, you can navigate the financial aspects of freelancing with confidence. By the end, you'll feel confident and in control. You'll have the skills to manage your freelance business effectively and ensure you get paid for your work. Ready to get started? Let's dive in and take control of your freelance payments. Contracts are crucial for freelancers. They serve as a safety net, ensuring that both parties are on the same page from the very beginning. Without a contract, misunderstandings can easily arise, leading to disputes and potential loss of income. They protect both you and your client. By clearly outlining expectations, responsibilities, and deliverables, contracts help to prevent conflicts. They provide a reference point that both parties can return to if any issues arise during the project. Think of a contract as a roadmap for your project. It guides you through the process, ensuring that every step is clearly defined and agreed upon. This roadmap helps to keep the project on track and ensures that both parties know what to expect. It outlines the scope of work, deadlines, and of course, payment terms. By specifying these details, you can avoid any ambiguity about what is expected and when it should be delivered. This clarity is essential for maintaining a professional relationship. Be clear about your rates. Clearly stating your rates in the contract helps to avoid any confusion or disputes about payment. It ensures that both parties agree on the financial aspects of the project from the start. Specify how and when you expect to be paid. This includes the payment schedule, method of payment, and any penalties for late payments. By detailing these terms, you can ensure that you are compensated fairly and on time. Don't be afraid to use simple language. A contract doesn't have to be filled with legal jargon to be effective. Using clear and straightforward language helps to ensure that both parties understand the terms and conditions. A good contract minimizes misunderstandings. By clearly outlining all aspects of the project, it reduces the risk of miscommunication and ensures that both parties are aligned. It sets the stage for a smooth working relationship. With a solid contract in place, you can focus on delivering great work, knowing that you have a clear agreement to back you up. There are many ways to get paid as a freelancer. Popular options include PayPal, Stripe, and direct bank transfers. Each method has its own pros and cons. PayPal is widely used and convenient. Stripe is great for online businesses. Bank transfers offer more security but can be slower. Choose the method that suits you and your clients best. Consider transaction fees and ease of use. Section 4. Dealing with non-payment? Stay calm and collect. Late payments happen. It's a common issue that many freelancers face at some point in their careers. The key is to handle the situation with grace and professionalism. It's important to stay calm and professional. Panicking or getting angry won't help the situation and can even make it worse. Take a deep breath and approach the issue methodically. Start by sending a friendly reminder. Sometimes a gentle nudge is all it takes to get the payment process moving. Craft a polite email that reminds your client of the overdue invoice and includes all necessary details. Your client may have simply forgotten. People get busy, and things slip through the cracks. A reminder can jog their memory and prompt them to take action. If you still don't receive payment, don't hesitate to follow up. Be persistent but polite. Document all communication. Keeping a record of your interactions can be crucial if the situation escalates. If all else fails, consider legal action as a last resort. This step should be taken only after all other avenues have been exhausted. Consulting with a legal professional can provide you with the best course of action. Remember, your work has value. You have invested time, effort, and skill into your projects, and you deserve to be compensated for that. You deserve to be paid for it. Stay calm, be persistent, and protect your rights as a freelancer. With the right approach, you can navigate the challenges of non-payment and ensure you receive what you're owed. Section 5. Conclusion. Your hard work, your reward. Getting paid as a freelancer doesn't have to be stressful. By following these steps, you can protect your income and focus on what you do best. Remember, clear communication is key. Be proactive, set clear expectations, and don't be afraid to stand up for yourself. Your hard work deserves to be rewarded. Now go out there and get paid.